Over here and then we go straight into the car.
Yes.
They leave Delvin to go home and do his cooking.
Yeah, buddy.
We're gonna go through the city
And then come back to him.
to Delvin.
Oh, good, good.
So, is where you call this?
Peas, gungo.
Gungo peas.
Gungo
I thought
peas.
the gungo peas was the big one.
No, the gungo peas is this.
So this is pigeon peas.
Oh, yes, you call it pigeon peas.
Pigeon peas. You call it gungo
But
peas.
that's our gungo peas. Yeah.
This way.
The gungo peas is popular around Christmas time.
Yes.
That's when we cook it the most.
That's when it's in season here too.
Yeah.
Aunties, good morning.
Yeah. But they had parking, but that's my I'm blowing an air, that's the great
Yeah.
Oh, that's literally right there, no? Like right over? Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna come here?
We're doing to we. We're doing to we. I was just saying I need one myself.
Yeah.
Good. That's it. Not our group today. And then we get some coconut water here so now.
Oh, you bottle. That's how you bottle the water.
Yeah.
Let me go around and get a better.
4.
Why the top of the coconut is pink? It's the age?
No, that's a different variety of coconut. That's the Claro? I thought the Claro would only come in the yellow. Pink. Oh. That's a different variety. It's called Claro coconut. It's much sweeter.
Anything I can help bring inside there?
For you?
That's a minute, please.
Yeah.
Where is Oh.
Let me go there.
Oh, so he has it cold. Oh, I thought he had it in the bottle cold.
No, we drink it straight out of the thing there too.
Doesn't want you about it.
Cool. Straw. Hello. Yes, good morning. It's Farine. We setting up for Farine and do everything, right?
Oh, so you leave back the straws with him?
No, these are my straws.
They're not iron?
Yeah, but these are my straws that I walk around with because we going green. We going green. Andy.
All right, hold it some. Let me take some. This is good because it's very cold, well cold.
All right, drink off some of that, and then I'll get add you the rum to the coconut water.
Are you going to put rum in there?
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, man. Get a little taste.
Rum in this thing.
So, you got your Ray and nephew, right?
Yes.
And in Guyana we have we start with the 5-year first. This is basically the let one of the guys hold it now, so you get to really enjoy this. Man, you almost finished.
Oh, not a lot.
Not a lot. You don't drink a lot.
No.
You get a taste.
But it's not strong.
Because you stop him.
You stop me.
You stopped him.
You stop me. All right, good. Guys,
I know my one had a hole at the bottom, so it finished.
you went out already. So what Jamal did, one suck and he's gone.
It tastes good with the rum. But your rum is still not strong. It's very weak.
Oh my God!
Hold up, I cannot record that. Sorry.
I'm not tasting the-
See,
no.
Pause.
hold up.
This is
Hold
weak. Yeah, but it's not. It just tastes like a weak rum. Like it's not all.
Oh my God. We will introduce you more later on to the 15 and 12-year-old, then the 21 and the 25. Once we get that chance, you're going to be here for a bit.
I'm talking about smooth rum.
Talking about
With
neat.
some white rum and I can.
Neat.
Yeah.
So this is more smooth.
Very neat. But the 5-year-old there is more of an everyday rum.
Everyday rum.
The 12 and the 15 is more straight.
Okay.
Maybe add a little bit of ice if you want to, but just neat. Keep it neat, straight. So how was the coconut?
And this is a cocktail.
This is good. I love this once it's cold. So once it's cold, it's more enjoyable with the rum.
Correct.
Yeah.
But it's a cocktail and you're not gonna get to taste the spirit more than, right? What it does, it creeps up on you.
I just go.
No, we don't want to do that.
Jamal can't go no more.
Yes. We don't want to do that.
The
We
rum
don't
hit me now.
we don't want to do
The
that.
rum just hit me. It
Yes.
just hit me.
We're gonna let you go on the plane and you can pass out on the plane. Right? Here you go, buddy. Can you open mine, please? Thank you so much. And this young lady wants to open hers too. Straws back in the bag. And you see these guys got all the fingers, eh? So we spoon right here from the coconut too.
Yes. This is really good. I enjoy it cold.
You gotta focus. Let me come out and come around here for a second. Where's this now?
Sorry. How much is it?
You enjoying the jelly?
Even the meat is cold, so because the time is hot, with the sun hot, this will cool it down. You don't worry, need a bottle of water.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
right.
so this just cool me down, you know, so I'm fine now.
And it's loaded with electrolytes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, but I love this. This is really.
Guys,
I
please
never- not
remember,
even in Jamaica, I don't really
check
have
out-
this cold.
check out
I'm serious. I don't have this cold.
Chat Jamaica with Tania. Delvin from Backyard Cafe.
Most definitely do. And if you don't know, now you know.
And guys,
Jamal,
2022, Jamal,
Tour Guide of the Year.
Senior Tour Guide of the Year. You can
Making
also
you-
check out Exclusive Adventures.
So that is your tour company, Jamal?
Yes.
Exquisite Adventures.
Exclusive.
Exclusive.
It's coming up, don't worry, it's coming up.
Yeah, once the idea is there and you work on it, it becomes better and better.
Yeah.
So it's just time.
Before that, you saw that spill out here, man? Nice, fresh coconut water.
I'll catch another part with him starting it out.
Right, so this is the end of the market tour. What are your thoughts? What do you think of what we already been through there, and how was that experience?
Alright, the experience in the market now. I am new to the different names that the fruits and some of the vegetables are called. I am totally new to that. I am new to the different types of food that were introduced to me. What you guys have for breakfast, in terms of what we have for breakfast, and just the way how the food is prepared, the energy of the people. I love the people here in Guyana. Why? Because everybody unites. When they see you, they're happy, they're all smiles, they're just grateful to see you, to talk to you. And I love that about the people that I have met in the market. There's so much positiveness here, and I love it all. So there's just so much knowledge, so much to learn. Going into the store, I love that area where it was all Guyanese made. Small businesses showcasing their
Guyana
products.
shop.
The Guyana shop. Guys, if you're planning to come to Guyana, I am asking you
Please do come to Guyana.
to go to the Guyana shop and look at the different products that they have available there. I am telling you, it is
95% made in Guyana.
And I am going to purchase some of those products to take back home with me, so that I can share with my Jamaican people, for them to see that the culture is unique and it's just for you to go and explore. So visit Guyana. You have a slogan here in Guyana?
Well, we're from the Backyard Cafe. We're a Backyard Cafe, right? And our thing is like eat, live, love, laugh.
Oh, eat.
So yeah, once you come, you get to enjoy Guyana. You eat a whole lot.
Yeah.
You laugh a lot, you know. And
But our motto here in Guyana is one people, one nation, one destiny.
Okay, one people, one nation, one destiny. And in Jamaica, we are out of many one people. So we're all one.
Yes.
Right? And I love you guys, Creolese, because whenever you speak it, I understand clearly.
So you understand what skunt is.
And body.
Body.
Body, get to this thing right.
Stunt and body.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Good job, man. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, Delvinado's Backyard Cafe. See you when I see you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Liquor more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of